In this video, you'll learn how to enable the auto rotate feature for the home screen on your Pixel 9 Pro XL. By following these steps, you will allow your device's screen to adjust its orientation based on how you hold it, making navigation more convenient. Begin by opening the Settings app on your Pixel device. You can find the Settings icon in your app drawer, or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Once in Settings, scroll down and select the Display option. This section contains various settings related to your screen's appearance and functionality. Within the Display menu, look for the Auto Rotate Screen option. This feature allows your device to automatically adjust the screen orientation based on how you are holding it. Ensure that this setting is turned on. When activated, it enables rotation not only in apps but also on your home screen. Next, return to the home screen and press and hold an empty space until a menu appears. From this menu, tap on Home Settings. In the Home Settings, locate the Allow Home Screen Rotation option. This setting is essential as it specifically allows your home screen layout to rotate when you change the device's orientation. Once you find the Allow Home Screen Rotation option, enable it. This ensures that when you turn your device, the home screen will rotate alongside it. It is important to note that not all devices have this feature enabled by default, so confirming this setting is crucial for proper functionality. To test if the rotation functionality is working, rotate your device horizontally. Observe if the home screen adjusts accordingly. The rotation should happen smoothly without any noticeable delay. If the home screen does not rotate, revisit the settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. You may also consider restarting your device to refresh the settings. And there you have it. Watching, and see you soon.